guys, making money from your website isn't easy, but these 14 tips are probably your best bet to get started. Watch the whole video and you will know how your website can bring you 5K and more. Method number 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to make money from your website or blog. Start by finding a product you like and would recommend. Then on your website, you endorse the product and promote it to your website visitors and email subscribers. If the product or service resonates with these people, they will click on your affiliate link, purchasing the product. The commission might be anywhere from 30% of the product or service price up to as high as 70%. For example, if the split is 50% and you promote an ebook that costs $100, you'll get $50 for a simple referring the buyer. Pretty sweet deal, right? Where to find products to promote? Commission Junction offers reliable products with on-time payments. Share a sale, mostly clothes, accessories, and other offline goods. Clickbank, high percentage payouts, but there is a lack of good products to promote. Method number 2. Pay-per-click advertising. AdWords are the advertisements that show up on the top of Google search results pages. AdSense is the reverse, allowing publishers to tap into Google's immense advertising network so that other advertisers can run ads on their website. The best part about this system is how simple everything is. Once you sign up, Google will place a simple code in your website that will identify the content of your site and start displaying relevant advertisements. For example, if your site is about pets, Google AdSense will start showing your visitors ads for cat food, dog training, and more. You get paid each time someone clicks on the ad. Your cut might be anywhere from 50 cents to $5 per click. When your site has enough traffic, you can make hundreds each month. Apply for AdSense. Before applying, make sure you keep up with their latest terms of service. Google has very strict rules, so it's hard to get approved. Method number 3. Sell ad space. Incorporating Google's AdSense on your website is just one way to make money from online advertisements. Another is to simply sell your own ad space directly to companies looking to sponsor different blogs. You can come up with a price for each space. You can get paid depending on how many visitors you get. Typically, it's quoted as a dollar amount per 1,000 impressions. You might see it as $5 CPM. If the website gets 100,000 visits a month, that ad price translates into $500. The good thing about this approach is that if your site gets a ton of traffic from different sources, your simple banner ad pricing can go up to as high as $5,000 per month. The obvious downside is that if your site doesn't get a lot of traffic, you can't expect to earn much either. The other common method when selling ad space directly from your website is a simple direct price. You simply name a price and get paid upfront at the beginning of each month. This pricing is also generally a simple flat fee, not tied to a cost per click like AdSense. Method number 4. Sell your own digital product. You have the potential to make the most money on a per sale basis when you can sell your own directly. That's because there is no middleman or person in between you and the buyer that's taking a cut from the money earned. This approach seems fairly straightforward because you can simply sell these products directly through your website and get paid immediately. Unfortunately, it's not that simple in reality. Creating good products that are well made and polished require a ton of time and additional resources. There's a lot of hidden costs in both time span and the contractors to collaborate with. Selling your own products on your site also brings up problematic issues like payment gateways, shipping, and taxes. If it doesn't sound like enough work already, you'll also need a well-designed, persuasive landing page to make sure your product has a strong conversion rate. Method number 5. Accept donations from visitors. If you don't have a ton of monthly visits, but you do have a strong, engaged community, simply ask your readers to donate. Accepting one-off donations isn't a fast road to wealth, but it can help you cover expenses in the short term if people like what you have to say and want to support your journey. For example, PayPal offers little donation buttons that only take about 10 minutes to add to your website, offering you a quick way to recoup what you might be spending on a good web hosting, new product creation, research, and all of the other costs to maintain a healthy, active blog. For example, web.archive.org makes a lot of money from donations. Method number 6. accept sponsored posts and articles. One of the common ways to make more money from your website means getting those visitors' numbers up. Once you've done the hard work of building steady traffic to your site with an engaged community, there are a few different ways to monetize your hard work. For example, many companies go out of their way to look for blogs that will feature their sponsored content. Native advertising like this works well because it lines up with your site's primary content and it comes across as relevant and transparent. You can also review the products from the company in an advertorial that's part content, part advertisement. For example, if your website is all about the latest iOS games for iPhones and iPads, the creators of one of these ads would love to have your review and feature their app for your fans. When done right, these can create a win-win scenario. However, done poorly, with irrelevant or inauthentic site content, it can erode all of the reader's goodwill you worked so hard to create in the first place. Method number 7. Generate leads for other companies. Businesses thrive on new leads coming in their door to inquire about their products or services. It's no surprise that they are always on the lookout, searching for creative ways to find new sources of leads to help them grow. For example, let's say you have a website about teaching math skills. Your readers' information would be of great value to different online schools who are looking to sell their courses to eager, proactive students. Basically, you are connecting the dots, playing the matchmaker by introducing two parties who can benefit one another. While it's similar to how affiliate marketing works, in this case, it doesn't actually matter if your reader ends up purchasing their product or not. They're just looking for an introduction at this point. Where to find such offers? Max Bounty, Neverblue, and Peerfly. Method number 8. Build an email list. Spend any amount of time reading blog growth tips and you are sure to come across people saying the money's in the list. They are referring to your email list, which compromises your most loyal readers. The objective is to convert as many strangers who visit your site for the first time into passionate followers who want to stay up to date on your latest work or content. Admittedly, this is a long-term strategy, but it's one of the best long-term methods to profitably grow in your blog into a full-fledged money-making enterprise. Never lose sight of creating relationships with your followers. Offering great information or free help is a perfect way to start. Spamming people with insolidated offers is one of the fastest ways to abuse readers' trust and sabotage your long-term goals. Method number 9. Set up an e-commerce site. Websites don't just have to be about content. They can be centered around tools or products on an online store. Before words, there are literally hundreds or thousands of e-commerce websites or online stores. Make sure that yours is filling a unique niche with a detailed strategy and the latest marketing techniques to stand out from the crowd. Method number 10. Flip your websites. Believe it or not, there is almost always a market out there for your website. It means if you build up the following, you might be able to see it to someone else and make a quick buck. To be honest, I typically don't suggest people to plan on flipping their websites or blog. You can't deny how lucrative it can be. For example, if your website is making $500 per month through selling ad space, you might be able to sell the site for $5,000 to $10,000. Another interesting option is to sell ready-made sites. These are much cheaper, but there is still some money to be made. Where to sell a site? Flippa, the most popular website market. We Buy Websites, another popular marketplace. And VE International, mostly for high-end websites. Method number 11. Set up infolinks. Infolinks are a great alternative to AdSense advertisements that are very easy to set up. The downside is that they aren't high in converting and the payouts are also quite small. Method number 12. Use monetization widgets. These are also very similar to Google AdSense, so they're worth trying out as an alternative. Method number 13. Set up RSS feed ads. Exactly what they sound like, ad space for sale in line with content from an RSS feed. Method number 14. Give away premium content for extra dollars. If you are producing mind-blowing awesome content that visitors can't get enough of, you can always try asking them to pay for some of it. I'm personally fine with paying for premium content. Bear in mind, don't ask people to pay right away. Instead, stay focused on growing an audience and visitors first. Thank you for watching this video, but we are preparing more videos, so stay tuned with our channel.